Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change Microsoft language back to English. Okay, if you watched my previous video, you just seen that I took a risk. Here you see I changed the language from English, which I actually understand, to French, which I do not understand. But I can guess some words that look closely related to English. And now I did that, and as you can see from my screen, it's all in French. And now I'm very nervous and panicky because I don't know if I'll be able to change it back to English. Now you might be in my situation, or for one reason or the other, you choose a language you might actually understand, unlike me, and now you just want to change it back to English, to make it easier for everybody to understand. Not because you took a risk and we're trying to challenge yourself. I normally don't do that, but I did it in the last video, and now I'm wondering if I'll be able to change it back to English. But I believe we can. I believe you put your mind to anything, you can do it. Also, I think French is there's some words in French that we can easily guess their meaning, and we might be right now out of 10. So let's hope that works for us now. Now I'm gonna let's work together on how to change the Microsoft language back to English. Let's do this. Okay, this is the home page. As you can see, we have a compt and then up to now Microsoft 3. As you can hear from, I can actually speak French. All right, but look at this word. This is telephone. This is telephone. So we know this has to do with, and we're saying numero, which means it has to do with phone number. You see, you can guess this. The modifier le mot de passe. Okay, but we don't understand what that means, but we can modify means to change, and then we can see security, which means password or security. So let's go here. So I have compte, and then I have voice information. Voice here has to be with you, so your information. This has to be your information. So let's click on that. So when method language you choose, the second one is always your information by the left here. Your information, method language you chose previously. So we can use common sense to get this. So let's go here. So we have photo. Like I said, there's some words that are easy to guess. So we have photo over here, which means picture. Then we have the name. So nom complete means name, I guess. Modifier and nom, that is change the name. You see, I'm getting this. I'm going to get at this. Oh yeah, we have language. You can see the language over here because it has langue, however they pronounce it. I am not French. I'm a Nigerian, and let's just say French is not my mother language. It is not my mother tongue. It's English is my mother tongue, but we gravitate to English because of your language. Anyway, this is language. This you can see it is French. See Francais? Who sent me? Nobody. But anyway, let's click on this and quickly change it back to English, which we totally understand. Not because we're never saying anything like that. Not because we just felt like the time of using French in our laptop is Microsoft accounts is past. Let's just take it into simpler terms. So let's go. Whew. Here we are. English. Now, after clicking on it, we go to modify the language that changes. Actually, we actually want to change it. We definitely do want to change it. So click on that. It's telling us that let's see, votre language, whatever. But I'm guessing it means the present, because I'm saying present here. I'm saying language. I'm saying United States. So I'm guessing it means it's about to change my language to English United States. Do I agree to that? Definitely. Click on OK. Let's see what happens now. I was even scared a little bit. I knew I could do it. The same way I know you can also do it. So you see your display language has been changed to English United States. So click on OK. And we're back. English. I can see it though. I can read everything. So with this in mind, I think we can take another risk and change the language again. Now before we do that, let's memorize something. So the second one over here, your info. And then this one over here, language. So the language is the third one under profile info. Okay. Yeah, let's change it. Let's do that. Let's change it to a language that we do not understand. Ooh, I see my language here. Asusu Igbo. This is my language, Igbo language. So let's click on that. I don't have a fear here. But then it's not a risky. This language I actually understand. Okay, let's try another language. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I also understand this one. The Yoruba, really the Nigeria. This is Yoruba language, also my language. But there's no risk again. Oh. Alright, let's look. Espanol, that should be French. Yeah, no, Spanish, right? Espanol Mexico, Espanol whatever they wrote here. Let's just go for next Mexico. to change display language. The language will be changed to Mexico. I might keep calling it Mexico. I think I had it in the movie once. What is it the correct pronunciation? Exactly. Oh shit. I meant wow. We're here. Tu idioma. Okay. Tu idioma cambio el español Mexico. Acepta. Of course, accept. But that's good. Now let's go back to the very beginning, the home page, and see if we can change the language. Don't forget what we memorized. Let's go. So from the home page here, second information over here, definitely it's even wrote information. Just change it C to C. It's closely related. And then the third one, wow. Can you believe it? The language is not language, it's idioma. Like idiom. Okay, so let's go here. Espanol. Can I change it to English? I'm great at this. I said no doubt whatsoever. Then click on this, and then just keep on clicking on the blue button, on the blue highlighted buttons, and we should be back to English in no time. Ta-da! Our display language has been changed to English now. Click on OK. So that's it, guys. That is how to change Microsoft language back to English from any language you choose. Any language you choose. Just remember, the second one was from the home page. On the left here, got two. The second option over here, and then once it opens up this place, the third option on that profile info. Profile info is the one in the second box over here. So once you change it, then don't forget to change back to English. It's as simple as that. That was fun. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I don't think we'll be taking risks in the next video, but who knows? We might actually. Bye for now. Have a lovely day of the evening, depending on the time zone.